Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Online friends, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. Right, right. So the last class I made one statement to you. From Java 8 version onwards, interfaces can be declared with concrete methods. By yesterday, I given some informations as interface can hold variables. The variables can be primitive and non-primitive. The variables are automatically static and automatically final. Whatever the methods you declared within the interface, they are automatically non-static abstract methods. They are non-static abstract methods. So interfaces cannot hold constructors. Interfaces cannot hold blocks. Whenever you want to provide a method for abstract method, first we cannot create object for interfaces directly. Interfaces cannot be instantiated. So object not available directly. Through implementation, we can create object. So what happened now? This interface will be implemented to some class through implements keyword. By terminology, these classes we call it as implementation classes. These implementation classes will take the abstract methods and construct the bodies. It has to construct the body for all abstract methods. That is a theoretical. Finally, one interface can be extended to another interface. Means one interface can have the features of another interface. That's the points here. So by Java 8 version onwards, they started bringing your concrete methods. They brought it. So how many concrete methods? Means three concrete methods came. One is static concrete method. One is default concrete method. One is private concrete method. Today, let me write the program and let me explain this theory. What I written yesterday, let me explain that once. For today's class, I'm taking interface application 3 I'm taking. Interface application 3. P1 and P2. Right. Under P1, I'm taking one interface I'm taking. Always I'll take I test. I'll take. Here, since many years we had abstract method. Since many years we had abstract method is there. Public, abstract, void M1 of int x. So abstract method available for many years. Whenever you want to provide body for abstract method, we will take one class as a implementation class. You will take it. I class as a implementation class. We will take it. Implements I test. Whenever we took one implementation class here, this implementation class has to take that method and construct the body. That is the rules. So here, this method is implemented method. This is implemented method. Implemented method M1 of X. So we are printing X. System dot out dot println the value. So the value X is equal to plus X. Like this. Now, like yesterday, one abstract method, the body available here, we create object for implementations. We take one class here, demo interface 3 I am taking. Demo interface 3 I am taking. Here I class will be equal to new I class. So this is implementation object. Import p1 dot star. This one implementation object. This one ob dot m1. So this is yesterday's program only. This one. So this is yesterday. But today new thing is I want to add one static concrete method. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with static keyword are known as static concrete. So I am taking one static method here. They are automatically public, static keyword, void m2 of int y. This is one static method. So system dot out dot println. This method is I test. I test static method m2 of y. This is static method. Now system dot out dot println the value y is equal to plus y. Finally, interface can be declared with concrete method. Method with method body. Now, I made a statement. Static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with interface name. You can call it. You can call with interface name. So I test dot m2 some 12. So this is static method call. This is static method call. I'm calling static method. Answer will come. All of you understood up to here? Right. Okay. Now the statement. But cannot be accessed with the implementation classes. So here one implementation class is there. No, through implements, all the members of iTest must be available to iClass, but static method not available. What is the proofs are here? Try to call with implementation class iClass dot M2 of 13. I am calling. Whenever I call M2 now, error will come. The method M2 is undefined for the type iClass. Means what? Static methods are not available to implementations, which means static concrete methods are not available to implementation classes. So they are not available, means through implements they will not come. That's the point. Other not given permission in your Java software. Whenever they added one static concrete method to interface, which is not available to implementation, implementation cannot access. All of understood the coding rule here now. This is one error. So how to access static concrete now? By using only interface name you can access. All of you got this point? No, sir. I want to make that static concrete method. I want to make the static concrete method, not static, sorry. I want to make concrete method available to implementations. Whenever you want to make some concrete method available to implementations, your author brought the second category, that is default concrete method. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with the default keyword are known as default concrete methods. Part of interface automatically public declared with the keyword default void M3 of int z. I am bringing one default. Now it is iTest default method. This is iTest default method. Method M3, this one, printing z. So this is z. This is default. These default methods are non-static methods only. They are not static methods. They are non-static methods. Suppose if you write static keyword here, error will come. So default can be non-static method only, not a static method. So they are non-static methods only. So non-static means memory in the object. The memories must be in the object because I written here. These default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation classes and can be accessed with object names. So which object name now? Sir, implementation object. Using this, you can call it ob.m3 of some 13. So this is default method call. So one concrete method available to implementation, one concrete method not available to implementation. Your other given two options to you. Static concrete method not available to implementation. Default concrete method available to implementation. Two options you can give in. If you, as a code writer, based on the requirement, you can write it. So now default concrete method will come. This is static concrete. This is default concrete. This is implemented. Implemented means abstract method. Okay, right. Now, finally, your author said, I given one static concrete. I given one default concrete. As a code writer, your wish. If you want to restrict one concrete method not to available to implementation, you can take static. Whenever you want to make it available to implementation, that is default. So separately by Java 9 version, they got private methods, they brought it. The concrete methods within the interface, which are declared with private keyword, are known as private concrete methods. These private concrete methods introduced by Java 9 version and categorized into two types. They brought two types, static and non-static. So part of interface, your other brought private void M4 of int A I am taking. So private void M5 of int B I am taking. The other brought static and non-static. Both he brought it. So here I test static private method M4. Non-static M5. This is the methods, private methods. These private methods cannot be accessed outside. Private means only inside. I made a statement in package chapter for you. Private programming components are accessed only inside the class. Here inside the interface. These private concrete methods are accessed only inside the interface, which means accessed by the non-private methods of same class. If any non-private methods are there, they can access. So what are non-private now, sir? This static method, default methods are non-private. Static and default methods are non-private. So you take the support of default method because default method is a non-static method. You can call it. I will call it now, sir. I test dot M4. I will call it some value. I'll take. So this is private static method call. Okay. Now here, this dot M5 16. This is private non-static method call. Means using this default method, you can call the private methods inside only. So private methods are accessed by using non-private methods of same class. Then the answer will come. This is implemented method. This is M2, M3. This is private method M4. Non-static private method. Actually, this is comment. Non-static private method. Private method. And all have understood theoretical. So other brought concrete methods into interfaces. He given three options to you. Write it. Here, example, output. Under P1, I am taking itest.java. Under P1, I am taking iClass.java. Under P2, I am taking demo interface 3.java. This is one main class. So finally, interface can be declared with concrete methods. Right. All of you understood this theoretical? Right. These examples are available in the library already. Examples are available. Sit properly. Java.util.iterable. Suppose lang. Java.lang. Can you see default methods? Interface. So default methods are there already. So these methods will come one by one. They will come. So many data structures. Java P, Java.util.list. You can see default methods here. So they entered in, they are sitting inside your already. Default methods will be there for you. And somebody is asking me, sir, what is the advantage of interface? They're asking. Now you will not understand. You have to wait it. So interfaces will not, because without writing interface also the answer will come, because you are writing one body and running. No, you will not understand now. Only you have to wait. After after few sessions, you will understand why we are using interfaces. Okay, right. Now, interface finally can hold concrete methods also. Okay, right. Now let me provide solutions anyway. So references, one program I given to you. Let me scroll back once. This is the program. Solution and references. References. This is references application only. The diagram. The diagram. Right. How many have done this? Anybody tried this? Right. Very good. Who completed? Now I am typing it. Observe it. This program I given as an assignment to you. How many classes? Almost address class is there, and contact class is there, salary class is there, employee class is there, and read employee details is there, read employee details, display employee details, and so on. These many components I given to you. So I'm taking one program here. So references anyway. References application 3 I'm taking. References application 3, that is assignment solution. Some assignment solution. So you can take the packages. I'm taking two packages here. One package is P1 and one package is P2. P2. Package P1 and package P2. Under P1, I am constructing this address, contact, salary like this. Under P1, I am taking one class as address. I am taking. So this is one address class I am taking. Right. In this address class, house number, street name, city, state, pin code. public string, house number, street name, city, state, and pin code. These are the points. These are strings and this is this one. And take one method, get address, one method. This is printing the address. Printing the address. Address details are printed. Now system.out.println. We are printing one house number here. Like this. We are printing street name, city, state, pin code. So some street name is name. This is city. City, state. State. This is pin code. This is pin code. Like this. Some variables and methods. That is one subclass. I am going to load the data here using object reference variable. We are going to load it. So this is one address class. We had a contact. So contact class is there. Contact. Right click on P1. New class. Class name is contact. Public string, mail ID, public long, phone number. I'm taking mail ID, phone number. Here one method is there. Public void get contact. One method. Now system dot out dot println contact. Now system dot out dot println. So mail ID, MID. Now system dot out dot println phone number, PH number. So this is contact. Salary. We are taking one salary. Okay, right. One class name is salary. Right click on P1. Class name is salary. Salary, one class. In this salary here. So public int basic salary, public float total salary. So public void calculate, one method. So public get salary, one method. So here total salary is equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA. 0.91 F into basic salary, 0.63 F into basic salary. Just to confuse you, I given that calculate method actually. So here, anyway, basic salary I'll take from object reference variable and I'll calculate total salary. Here I can display. So system dot out dot Print ln. This is salary. So salary anyway. So system dot out dot print ln. So basic salary. So total salary. The point. So these three classes I constructed: address, contact, salary. Now construct this employee. You can construct employee. Can construct. So one more class coming as an employee. Under P1, new class employee. In this employee class, I am taking ID, name, designation. I am taking public string ID, name, designation. Right. Here you are linking the objects: address, contact, salary. Public address AD is equal to new address. So public contact some CT is equal to new contact. So public salary some SL is equal to new salary. So these are all tightly coupled references. Now here, so public void get employee, you had it. So system dot out dot println that employee name anyway, employee details indirectly. Now system dot out dot println. So employee ID is equal to ID. Employee name and designation. Employee designation. Point. So this is that link. So finally 4 classes and 3 classes linked. All of understood up to here? Right. Okay. Now go for loosely coupled reference. Loosely coupled means you have to bind through constructor. You have to bind it. Read employee details. Right click on P1, new class. Read employee details. Read employee details. In this read employee details, the employee is coming as an loosely coupled employee EMP. So this is EMP. Now through constructor read employee details, this constructor will hold employee EMP. This dot EMP is equal to EMP. Means this constructor is taking and binding here. Here we are using a method known as read. Void read. It has to read the data from the keyboard. Whenever it wants to read the data from the keyboard, you must bring scanner also, you have to bring it. Scanner, yes, you have to bring it. Here you can bring scanner, yes. You can write this dot s is equal to yes, you can write. Here scanner is util, no, import java.util. So you are bringing employee, you are bringing scanner. Using this scanner, you can read it. System.out.println. Enter employee ID. You can enter. Whenever you want to load employee ID, emp.id. Yes or no? Yes or no? Louder. S dot next line. How many of you tried this program? Raise your hands. Tried. Right. Remaining people not open the book also. So two will be there. Completed, tried. Other people not open. Sir, you given one assignment, I forget it, sir. Because of my busy schedule, I forget it, sir. So some people will be busy, they will not open the books. Sir. Because of busy schedule, I forget it, sir, actually. Facing problem with cold. Right. So who not tried, you will not remember what has been happened actually. Okay. Right. Employee name I am taking. So emp dot name is equal to s dot next line. Emp designation. Emp dot designation. S dot next line. Now, employee house number. You have to enter. House number available in the address. Yes or no? Now, the address object linked to emp. So you must write emp dot ad dot house number. S dot next line. All of you understood this? Right. House number belongs to AD. AD belongs to EMP. P street name. Same. EMP dot AD dot street name is equal to S dot next line. So EMP city. EMP dot AD dot city is equal to S dot next line. Now here, EMP, sorry, this is state. EMP dot AD dot state is equal to S dot next line. EMP pin code. Pin code. Same. EMP dot AD dot pin code. Whenever you want to read this pin code, integer value, I must use parse method. I must use integer dot parse of S dot next line. Sir, why you are using parse? Because after pin code, mail ID will come. Mail ID is a string. After numeric data, string data comes, it will be skipped. To overcome that only, we are using parse methods. We are using. Up to now, okay. Now, this reading completed, sir, this one. You have to read the contact, mail ID, phone number. Okay, right. Now, enter employee mail ID. Mail ID is in the address or contact? Contact. So emp dot ct dot mail ID is equal to yes dot next line. Now we are reading the phone number. We are reading phone number. Phone number also contact only. emp dot ct dot phone number is equal to, here parse not needed here, because after phone number numeric data only coming, that is basic salary. Okay, right? So you can use yes dot next int next long biggest number. So phone number completed. Next basic salary, you have to call it. So I am putting basic salary. Employee basic salary, you have to enter. Basic salary is in emp dot sl dot basic salary is equal to yes dot next int. After reading the basic salary, run the calculate method. When you run the calculate method, total salary will be calculated internally. I will run it now. emp dot sl dot calculate. You run it. So through this method, total salary calculated. Whenever I entered basic salary, total salary calculated internally. Right, all of you understood this code? Says or no to me. So read employee details class linked to three classes. Employee through we link to three objects. This is this one. After this one, you go with the display employee details. This one. So go with display employee details. Here, display employee details. Display employee details. Same. Here you take it as public employee EMP. So public display employee details. Take the employee and load it. This dot emp is equal to emp. Scanner not needed because display no, right? So just link it here. Public void display method. You had it. So call it emp dot get employee, emp dot ad dot get address, emp dot ct dot get contact, emp dot sl dot get salary. Like this, all are displayed. Because of that EMP, you are accessing all. No, that's the point. Right? This is, so you completed this 3, 4, 5, 6 classes completed. Go for main class. This is main. So demo employee is the main. For this main class, under P2, new and class. So demo employee I'm taking. So import java.util.scanner. Import p1.star. So all classes available. Dot star means all, no, right? Okay. Now create object for scanner. S is equal to new scanner of system dot in, yes dot close. Here employee, EMPRE equal to new employee. I am taking. Now read employee details RMRED, roughly same names I'm taking, is equal to new read employee details. I am passing E as parameter, S as parameter. Now display employee details. DED is equal to new display employee details. Right. I'm passing E as parameter. Now RED dot read, one method, DED dot display. So point. Have you got it right? So run this program now. I am passing parameters here. So run it. Employee ID. He belongs to some department. See, 121. Employee name is Raj. Designation SE. House number 12-34 by H. Street name SR Nagar. City Hyderabad. State Telangana State. Pin code 612345. Mail ID raj@gmail.com. Phone number 9898981234. Basic salary is some 27,000. This is employee ID, name, designation, address. This is house number, street name, city, state, pin code, and the contact is mail ID, phone number, salary, basic salary, total salary. All of you understood this? They are all different objects. So employee one object, address one object, contact one object, salary one object. But these three objects are internally linked to employee. Employee is holding the addresses of address, contact, and salary. That only assignment. And this employee class is available to more than one. This employee class available to more than one. If it is available to more than one, that is loosely coupled. If these are available to only one, that is tightly coupled. That only difference. This is the program. Right. All of you understood the program? Okay. The program. So here P1 I took address.java. Under P1 I took contact Java. Under P1 I took salary.java. Under P1 I took employee.java. Under P1 I took read employee details.java. Under P1 we took display employee details.java. Under P2 I took demo employee.java. This is one main class. So these are the components. right? So this one I'll copy it anyway for you. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Completed. Right. References, no, as a relation. Means one object will hold reference of another object. Okay. Now I given one more assignment. No, in inheritance I given one assignment for you, one inheritance. So one document I given actually. Inheritance. 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 Question I not written, I think. But I given one inheritance program I loaded, no? Right. So assignment and solution for inheritance application. So from that you have to draw one layout actually. You have to draw one layout. Whatever the question I given, you must draw one layout. If you draw the layout only, answer will come. Okay, right. See there. So on that day I given one question to you. Okay, this is the question. Here, in this question, a student, class I taken, class student I'm taking. Class student I'm taking. So here, one class. I'm taking one class as a student. One class. This is parent class. In this student class now, here, instance variables, student ID, string as name, exam fee as double. So student ID. So int student ID and string name double exam fee I given. Exam fee I given. This is lowercase. Now, there's a first line here. Methods. Display details, pay fee. Display details, pay fee. Display details is string and pay fee is double. Display details. Display details is a string. Display details double pay fee. Here some parameter will be there, amount. Some parameter anyway. Right, like this. These are the methods in the parent. Now, create two subclasses of a student called day scholar and hostler. Two students are there. So two subclasses you have to construct. Two subclasses you have to construct. One is day scholar and one is hostler. Two students. You may be day scholar, you may be hostler. Day scholar, one class. You may be hostler. You may be hostler, one class. Subclasses means extends keyword. Class to class is extends. So they are extended. Extends. Now, so two, already you know the inheritance. All the members of parent available to child. So day scholar is a child class and hostler is a child class. Now, create two subclasses, day scholar, and add the following implementations to each. Day scholar. Instance variable is transport fee. Day scholar will come in some bus or something. Transportation fee. Transport fee. Double. Here one variable. Here one variable. Double. Double. Transport. Transport fee. Transport fee. This one. Transport fee. Right. Where is this? Right. Hostler will have one instance variable. Hostel fee. For him, hostel fee will be there. Hostel fee will be there. That also double. Right. Now, add the following methods in both classes. Method. Display details. Method name is what now? Display details. This display details only. So here, string display details. Sir, it is a overriding method, no, sir? Yes, sir, no, na? Yes. Here, string display details. Right, like this. Add the methods in both. Method. Display details. This method should return string containing details of the student in the following format. Name must be there, ID must be there, exam fee, or day scholar. Name must be day scholar, transport fee must be there, name must be there, ID must be there, examination, and so on. Some details. Okay, right. Day scholar. Now, one more method is pay fee. It is also overriding method only. Pay fee. Here, pay fee is then the same. Double pay fee of amount. I'm passing amount. Amount also double amount only anyway. So, double some amount. Because I written dot, 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 no here, dot, dot, dot. It is also overriding only. Double pay fee of double some amount. These two methods are overriding methods. After this one, method pay fee. This method takes the amount as parameter that represents the fee provided. You must calculate and then return the remaining amount paid in excess. If excess is paid, the return amount will be negative. The total will be negative. The total fees that each student must pay must include all the fees applicable to that student, exam fee, transport fee, hostel fee as applicable. Means when the student taking admission, whether he is a hostler or day scholar or secondary, but you have to collect all the fees. He has to pay examination fee, he has to pay transportation fee, he has to pay his hostel fee total. After that, the student will be taking a decision. First admission, means example, some online admission is there, or before 6 months only one admission is going to happen. After 6 months, the college will open. If not, before 8 months only admission happens. So on that day, the management say pay totally and block the seat. After that, you can take a decision whether it will be in the hostel. If hostel not available, you will withdraw from hostel and you go for transportation first. First, you have to pay all the fee. That are information. Subtract the amount. This is common, right? To run this program, take one class student tester is given to you with a main method. Use this class, test your solution. Means one main class. Here, patience is reading the question. Right here means here. Now this is your diagram. Once the diagram came easy only, no? Yes or no, na? Right. It will be take the give a choice. You want a day scholar, you want a hostler. Example. First you have to pay the total amount you have to pay. Okay. Now this is the layout for you. The layout. Based on this, I'll write a program. Right. Inheritance application 12. I'm taking. Inheritance application 12. I'll take assignment solution. Right. Here I'll take one P1 and P2. Under P1, you take one class as a student. Under student, just now I written, no? Right. So public student ID will be there, name will be there, exam fee will be there. Where is this? Int. Student ID will be there. Public string name will be there. Double. What is there? Exam fee will be there. And public return type is string. Display details. RETURN return, because this method is overriding method, no? Right. So public double pay fee double amount. Return double, no? You can write return 0. 0 means numeric value, means some integer value. So like this, your parent constructed. Right. Here examination fee, some standard is there. Example 1500 roughly. Actually, while they are paying only, we'll collect the amount. Whenever he's taking admission, we'll say how much amount you have to pay it. He will pay some amount. Okay, right. Some examination fee 500. 1500. I'm not reading from any keyboard. 1500 I'm giving. Common to all. Okay, right. Now, 1500 will not be there. 2500 minimum, 3000 will be there now. Right, 3000 roughly. Okay. Now go for child classes. Take day scholar P1, new and class. Day scholar. Day scholar. I am taking. Implements are extends. Extends student. Right. Here, transport fee. Transport fee. Day scholar mean transport. So public double. 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 Transport fee. Transportation fee around 17,000 I'm collecting. That also standard fee only. Okay, right. Now you must write overriding methods, no? Public string display details. So whenever you want to display the details now, take one string details is equal to, you have to display name, you have to display student ID first. Sir, I must display student ID. Student ID plus name plus exam fee. Exam fee plus transport fee. Sir, what is that plus symbol? RETURN return DL. Here DL means string. This is string. Sir, plus means what? Combining. Means student ID combined with name, examination, all are combined as a single string. I am sending. But you must print the message, no, sir. You add the message. Student ID plus. You can add it. Here plus /n. Name you can add it. Like this you can add in concatenation. So name came no, examination fee. Double quotes /n. Exam fee. So transport /n. Transport. You are adding the message value, message value, message value, message value as a single string. /n means what now? New line. /n is what now? New line it is. So this is. Now, not this. Other one is one more overriding, that is double pay fee. Here we are collecting the amount. Total amount you are collecting. Double amount. This one should return remaining the amount you have to return. Whatever the paid amount they'll enter here and remaining amount should come. So return RETURN, return amount minus. You have to add all income, no? Right. What you'll add now? Sir, exam fee plus transport fee. The transport fee. Means whatever you paid it, they'll enter there and remaining amount will come. Okay, right. Remove that exam fee, remove that transport fee. You paid for the hostel, no, you return back. The point. Now the same thing you'll write there also. What is the next class here now? Hostler. You can write. Same thing. You can write one hostler. Under P1, new and class hostler. I can take it. Extends from student. Same methods only. Here, hostel fee here. The remaining all same, no? Hostel fee. So this is your construction. Okay, right. Examination fee, transport fee, I took it. Okay, right, like this. Hostel fee will be some. Here I took transportation fee, yeah, right. Hostel fee will be more, no? Generally, you take some 37, I think. Roughly, I'm taking. Right, like. Roughly. And now go for main class. That only test class here. Class student tester is given to you with a main method. Use this class to test your solutions, classes and methods. So what is the name? I forget it. Student tester. Under P2, I'll take one class as student tester. Right. Import java.util. Import p1.star. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in s dot close. Right. So pay the fee while admission. Some amount you have to pay it. Okay, right. That payment I'm passing for this. Okay, right. Before that, here, what you have to take one, only student ID is pending now. Enter your student ID only. So remaining all we are taking it out. So first you have to create object for, okay. Now system dot out dot println enter ID. Student ID, I'm entering. So here, student ID is there, but student ID, I not yet created object, no, I cannot enter there. So I'm reading roughly into one variable I'm reading. So string student ID is equal to s dot next line. Then I will ask it. You are from, means you are a day scholar or this one. If not, I can, first only I can ask the question. You are from where? You can ask it. So system dot out dot println, you belongs to which category? I can ask. So choice I can show. Whether you are day scholar or hostler. System dot out dot println So day scholar. Hostler. System dot out dot println. Enter the choice. Int choice is equal to integer dot %. S dot next line. Right. Switch off choice. You belongs to any one category, no? End of switch. Case 1. Break. Case 2. Break. Default. System dot out dot println invalid choice. Case 1 means create object for day scholar. DS is equal to new day scholar. You can create. If it is case 2, create object for hostel. Hostler. Some HS is equal to create object. Now enter your ID. System dot out dot println. Enter the ID. You had one ID, enter it. Now I can say ds dot student ID is equal to integer, no? Integer dot %. Of s dot next line. I am reading the name. Now, system dot out dot println. Enter the name. Now ds dot name dot s dot next line. Anyway, examination already paid, right? Okay, that imagine it, you paid, right? Now I am collecting the amount. System dot out dot println. Enter total amount for admission. Total amount means what? Exam fee plus hostel fee plus and so on. You have to enter it. Total amount you have to enter. Okay. I am reading amount. Double amount is equal to s dot next double. I am entering. Okay. Whenever I want to display the details, I'll call what now? ds dot display details. But the display details must be in the form of string, no? So system dot out dot println. Where is this? ds dot display details. Now system dot out dot println. This is written amount. RETURN. Written amount is ds dot pay fee amount 1. Like this. Here total amount means here 1500 plus 1700 plus 3,700. I given 3,700 inside, no, 100. Total amount for admission. Now let me run this. Here 1,500 means how much now this one? Calculate. 1,500, 1,700, 3,200, 3,900, 6,900. Day scholar, enter the ID A11. Again in a flow, always A11. Right. Day scholar, ID 1234. Name is Raj. Play the total amount. Right. How much now? 6,900. Student ID Raj, examination fee 3,000, transport 1,700. We are returning back 13,100 back to you. All of you understand this? Right. Okay. Just somewhere if pay and he'll enter it. So Ostler not available, no? Right. So this Ostler, same code only, no? Yes or no? Na? Same code you can copy here. Same code. Here, instead of DS, it has HS. It has HS. Here, amount to amount to. Here, HS. Here, HS. This is amount to. So run it. Sir, I am hostler. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is ready. Name is Ram. So 6,900. Return back. Transportation fee we taken and we are returning back. All of you understood the program? Yeah, program not important, but reading that question and constructing into layout. Some two overriding methods are there, and based on the selection, we are going to do the operations. So point. Okay. This program, I'll paste it and here. That layout under P1, I took student.java. Under P1, I took day scholar.java. Under P1, I took ostler.java. Under P2, I took what is our main class I taken? Student tester. Student tester dot Java. This is one main class. Now, inheritance has one more name known as is a relation. What is the relation now? Is a. Other name for inheritance is A. Why means day scholar is a student. Yes or no? Na? Ostler is a student. So relation is what now? Is a. So day scholar also student only. Ostler also student only. Both are students only. So the relation between them is a. So other name for your inheritance is a relation. Is a relation. Inheritance other name is a. So day scholar is a student. Ostler is a student. As a means references. Is a means inheritance concept. Right. Hope you understood. I think you cross check once. I'll show that to you. Okay. These two programs I'll paste to you here. Once you run it and come. Okay, right. All of you comfortable for today's these two assignment solutions, right? You check it once and come. Right. Okay. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.
డబుల్ యూజ్ చేసినాం ఒకసారి ఇంటికి చేయొచ్చు కదా.
తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ డబల్ డబల్ వాడండి. మీరు ఇంటి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.